Lakers have 2. So neither really preserved them much.
Well, during that stoppage, let's see what the Lakers set up as an offensive play.
Lakers up by 1. LeBron using the window. Tapped around Vanderbilt there. Strip taken by the Clippers. Of course, they'll give it right into the hands of James Harden. Paul George, this is his time right here. Working on AD. Paul George going all the way, put up a miss, trying to stay with it, out of bounds.
That should be Clipper ball.
Yeah, they're looking for help.
Now they say Laker ball.
But again, there's no chance for a reversal.
Yeah, you only get one of those. Shot was missed, and Paul George has it. It's on the hands of, oh, man, another closer.
But again, the officials working in unison, helping each other out. Still a 1-point game. Reeves, Davis, 3-point game.
Timeout. Clippers, that's their last. It being a 3-point game, they take out Kawhi Leonard.
Wow.
At this point.
What's he doing?
He knows his team better than we do.
That is true. Nebraska number 2, 98-95. You got Paul George down by 3, 2.5 to play. George working on Reeves, double for a moment, 3 to shoot, 2, 1, man. Boy, the Lakers play pretty good defense.
There's Zoo again, though.
Zubac owns the boards. Oh, they foul Powell. They foul Powell. Torian Prince
shooting 3.
He'll shoot 3. He's made more shots than he has. He's still trying to keep the good times rolling. Lakers trying to right the ship, so nobody in jeopardy of fouling out of the game at this point. Tied at 98.
Man, gotta stop fouling 3-point shooters.
Well, the first one went to overtime. Davis. Reeves directing traffic. 10 on the shot clock. AD over Zubac. Rebound, LeBron had it for a minute, taken by the Clippers. Now Harden into the attacking zone. 19 rebounds for Zubac. He said he was working on a 2020. Paul George, minute 44 left. Paul George trying to dance around AD. AD selling out, going to be taken by George to beat the clock. It did not hit the rim. It did not hit the rim, but it goes to the Lakers. They'll say play on. Tied at 98, minute 25. Cross court, LeBron. LeBron looks to attack. He comes back out. Oh, wide open. Wide open.
Wide open. Those are the shots that you're paid to make. Now you got to rely on your defense not to give up one of those.
Harden. They give him the 2, rebound Davis. This crowd is roaring. Most are on their feet. LeBron James will slow things up a bit. Utilize clock. We're under a minute. Laker lead is 3. Bumps into George. 3, 2, now with 2, with 1. LeBron scores.
They don't have any timeouts, so the Lakers got to make sure they're ready to play defense.
Harden, Paul George, they need a bucket right now.
You just don't want them to give them a 3, though.
Zubac, they're taking all kinds of time. They're taking all kinds of time.
Trying to work for that 3-point shot.
Harden got it.
The one thing you did not want to let them get is a 3.
Harden.
Now, though, the 24-second clock, the game, yes, the 24-second clock is off. Game clock is the only thing that's operable. 22 seconds left.
Here we go. 103-101.
They've got an active defensive 5 out there right now, so the Lakers got to be careful with the inbounds pass and then make free throws.
Backcourt D'Lo. Oh, they got a hand on it. Lakers only have 1 timeout remaining. It's a 2-point game. That was dangerous.
That's very dangerous.
Frantic finish to this one. Lakers looking for their 18th win of the year. They're probably thinking about the count. And do they have to get it up?
Over to 8.
Yeah, and where the count was.
Wow.
Did they bail him out? Oh, I think they bailed him out.
It was close. Russ is signaling for a replay, and he don't for a challenge, and they don't have any. That's the foul they had to give. So now they got to make sure that 8-second count is still in effect.
Lakers do have a timeout, and they take it.
Good play by LeBron.
Wasn't it, though? And he goes, we'll take it there.
Yeah, now you can advance it.
He moved it up about 6 feet. So just let's play it out. LeBron, 5-second count is going. Taurean Prince. They foul. So Prince will go to the free throw line. Again, no timeouts.
And it's always the first one that you think you're shooting a medicine ball.
Oh, perfect. You would think the Clippers might even. Well, you can't play that kind of a game. I was going to say, come down and get a quick 2.
Trying to extend the game?
Yeah, but again, you have no timeouts. You got to take it. You got to take it the length of the court.
Yeah.
That's the problem. Now
the Lakers should just give up a concession too. No threes.
Leonard underneath, put it up and in. 4.9. In for Reeves.
Now again, you're in the same scenario. You need to have one for sure.
Right. I mean, theoretically, you're up by 4. You could foul. That, ladies and gentlemen, is huge.
Well, the only good
little pressure. It's going to go to Norman Powell with 3, with 2.
Foul to give.
This is for the tie. Oh, in and out. Heartbreak, and the